Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the wing mirror indicator on a 2008 Renault Laguna Mark III hatchback, but this should also apply to the models made between 2007 to 2015, the Grand Tour Estate and the Coupe. All you're going to need for this is a flathead screwdriver or a blade screwdriver. In this case it's a phase tester because this is what we have, of course we do, and grab it on the corner here where there's a little teeny panel gap. Just push it in there and pull it out. That was actually very easy. Pull it out of the way. There's plenty of slack on the cable. Take the old bulb out, and according to this it's a WY5W or a wedge yellow 5 watt. Pull the old bulb out, dispose of it accordingly, grab your new bulb, put the bulb back in, put it back in correctly. It's a tight fit, but I like that. And push it back in. So you'll see there's little locating pins here that need to line up with the rubber seal. Done. Place it back in. See there's little locator pins here that need to go in here. It might help if you don't have your screwdriver in your hand while you're doing it. There you go. It's in here. Click it back in and let's test it. So there you have it. That's how you change the wing mirror indicator on a Renault Laguna Mark III. This one's a hatchback, so we really hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.